what started out as an innocent ride to Kilmacow turned into part disaster, part rescue. So follow me and enjoy the rest of the video. Hey everyone in YouTube. So this is one of the points for March. It's an animal name of a pub. So that's an animal name of a pub, yeah. Fox's Den in Kilkenny. Oh. What's happening here? Hello? Oh, that must be some kind of wiring issue.
Hi.
Well, bye, how's it going?
Nice bike.
How shall we try to keep our good?
That's cool.
Thanks, man. Well, how's it going? Good bike.
Nice bike.
Move would be nicer.
Is she playing up?
Yeah.
Sun out there.
No. It looks low on fuel, but it still should turn on there.
Where are you heading?
I'm just coming out from Waterford.
Right.
Just the city.
Need a lift for that, or are you okay?
I'll give one of the lads a ring and
yeah?
you might know a bit.
No bother, mate. No bother.
Thanks very much, appreciate it.
Mind yourself.
Ah yeah, no bother. Thanks lads.
Might help you, but we have
help somebody anyway.
Yeah.
I'm just outside the Fox's Den in Kilmacow, and I went to start the bike and nothing. And then when I turned it to one side, it turned back on. But the minute I went to put any power into it, it went off. Now, it looks really low on fuel. The fuel light came on. But when I move it around, there's a little bit of fuel in it. But should the electric still turn on? Even if, say if I was all out of fuel, should it still turn on? Yeah, but it won't. Like it's dead now. But when I was turning it to I turned it to one side, it kind of went on. But I don't know. Yeah, you see, I go all the way to the left now. That goes on. The fuel light was on when I was coming in. Yeah, if you don't mind.
Alty, you freaking saucepan. Here, there's a cup of tea for you.
Thanks,
you
bye.
might be cold.
Some man.
What's going on?
Some man, isn't he? Unreal. Cup of tea and all.
I'm telling you, it's good service you get with me. I know exactly. She's definitely out of fuel, I think. Because the main fuel feed is coming off that side.
Yeah.
Not this side. I need fuel. So I had to buy a jerry can on my way down. Just put the fuel in and then pre-mix, put the oil in.
Isn't that funny how it worked out?
Is that recording?
Yeah. Don't worry. I let it stuff out.
There's a hat for you now, kids. There's a hat for you.
Well, sure, look, we're in the principality now, so let's see, will it work?
Right. Can we try? Keys in it? That'll do, pig.
Yeah.
Oh shit. That's it now. Oh, you've your full lights. A fucking saucepan.
No, that's my normal lights.
No, I've seen full lights. Oh. What's going on here?
She will fire up. She does that.
Oh, I didn't. Look, everything's completely gone. I think you have a problem here, Walty.
My initial thought when I pulled it over to one side and it came on was there a wiring issue?
That's electrical. Oh, jeez, I'm crushing a fucking nut.
Alright.
Think so, maybe. Dunno.
Maybe a wire pinched or something.
She'll start if you have the bars turned that way. As soon as you turn them anyway a fraction that way, just cuts out. Hey Farrell, how are you keeping? Are you well?
You need a lift anywhere?
He has a car there, so.
I should be alright, thanks all the
I
same.
have a van with a ramp. There's a Volkswagen caddy van and shoot it whenever you want.
Jesus, what do you think?
There you go.
I will be walking city.
I know you. What's your name? You take pictures.
Yeah, water Kennedy, yeah. Only known as Beta Rebel. Yeah, I wouldn't be comfortable driving in with that.
No, I understand that.
The way it is now, like.
Your call.
Yeah, I'll take the lift in if you don't mind.
Give me about 5-10 minutes. I'll go. I have the van with me with the dog, but I have to take some stuff out and I get the ramp.
Yeah, no, I really appreciate that. Thanks very much.
Fair play, thank you.
Feel it how it is.
Yeah,
Do you know what I mean? Like when you're swinging to the left then it's probably giving it away. When you're turning to the right then it's pulling on.
yeah. That's exactly what's
You
happening.
know, I'd say what you could be after though as well is you could be after maybe pulling one of the little pins off in the back of here. Because you know that's been that tight for so long. Like.
Were you out with the lads today? Or who were you with? Were you out spinning?
No, I've literally dropped the umbrella back and I got on it at 6:15.
Alright.
And just came out here because we do the road adventure for a picture of the foxes and that's it.
Did you get the picture though?
What?
Did you get the picture?
Oh, I did. The picture, alright.
I had the front brake down now. Ready when you are, Barry.
Thank you.
Some content. Alright, so that was a very interesting evening. So a guy called Barry Fox helped me. Thank you very much, Barry. I owe you one, I really do. Absolute gentleman. He's a biker as well. Said he wouldn't leave anyone if they were stuck. So he's an absolute legend. Thanks very much. He knows a good few of the people I know, and he kind of recognised me a bit from, I don't know, online or taking photos or whatever. But man, thanks very much. Bonnie sitted in perfectly in the van, brought me in. Our neighbour down the road helped us bring it out as well. And I want to say a big massive thanks to Paddy. You are some legend. Brought me out a cup of tea as well, as I said earlier. And yeah, Bonnie's home now. We think it's a wiring issue. Well, it is a wiring issue because we put the fuel in it. But when I rotated left, not sure if I said in the video, so much has happened previously. But when you bring it to the left, it'll turn on. And then when you go any way to the right at all, it goes off again. So I think it's a wiring issue. There's a guy came along. I think I got the footage as well. I don't know because I haven't been able to look back. I'm only home now. But there was a mechanic looked at it as well. And he said it could be the wiring loom. Said that's what happens to get caught up in there. So I think that could be the issue, hopefully anyway. But I talked to my neighbour who's a bit of a mechanical whiz down the road, and if he can't solve the problem, I'll bring it in then to Marcus S.M.A.R.T. But yeah, there's a video I didn't think I was going to be making tonight. But hey, it's Walter's Motorcycle Diary, so that's a diary entry. So thanks very much for watching. Until the next time, take care. Barry and Paddy, some legends. Okay, we have a breakthrough, literally.